Hello, everybody. If you're looking for a powerful website design tool that combines the ease of use of advanced animations, then Framer might be the perfect choice. So, in this video, I'll give you a quick review of Framer, its key features, and show you how to create a website with it. So, let's get started. So, number one, Framer is a no-code website builder, and that allows designers and developers to create interactive and high-performance websites with ease. It's great for designing custom layouts without coding and adding animation and effects, publishing fully responsive websites using AI powered tools to generate content and layouts. Now, Framer features and our review of it. So, Framer stands out from other website builders with these features. It's a drag and drop editor. So, think of it as Canva, but for like codes, I guess. So, that's what Framer does, and that's one of its key features. And it also has pre made templates, professional designs, ready to use. Like if we go to here in our community, I mean, like here, if we go to our untitled here, I think we can see a lot of like a lot of templates. It's loading first. Hold up. There we go. We have layers, assets, and pages and stuff like that. So we're going layers, assets, templates, new template, create. You can also create your own template, which is pretty cool. That's nice. Then we go to home. We're gonna go back to home. Then after that, like the SEO optimization also has fast and friendly search sites and custom code support. You can add HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and for more, flexibility. Super easy for beginners, yet powerful for advanced users. AI assisted design makes website creation fast and efficient. Hosting and publishing included. Pricing can be higher compared to basic website builders, learning curve for complex animation. Now, how to use Framer. So first things first, you gotta sign up and choose a template. We need to visit the website itself, so framer.com, then create an account, then pick a template or start from scratch. I started from scratch, or we can just browse the template here in the marketplace. We have free stuff. We have CV import. There's some free stuff here. We're gonna use Smooth right here, just for free. There we go. So that's pretty cool. Yeah, copy. There we go. Then after that, you can customize the layout, add animation. It's optimized for mobile SEO. You can switch to mobile view to ensure responsiveness. We can do that later, but right now this is the website right here. That's the animation that looks really really nice too. Wait, I'm gonna go back to my to the website itself. We can play the actual website on how it would look like. We can do full screen. We can do, yeah, that's pretty cool. Like we can do full screen, and we can also do mobile. Show UI, desktop. We can do phone. So this is the phone UI right here. Looks really smooth. You can also do tablet. There we go. It's kind of similar to desktop, but a bit smaller, because tablets are smaller, so you do need to make it a little bit smaller. And yeah, guys, and you can also publish your own site. Just click on publish, then you'll be good to go. Now, my final verdict: if you need a modern and fast interactive website builder, Framer is an excellent choice. While it has a slight learning curve, its features make it a great alternative to Webflow, WordPress, or for highly animated websites. And it also has a really good, free tier, because most of these websites have a subscription, and this has a free version, so that's pretty cool. And that's it, guys. That's how you know how to use Framer to build, beautiful website. If this tutorial was helpful, like and subscribe and drop a comment below with any questions, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.